In creating a program for the Tone It Up app, I just felt was so drawn and called to having a toned body and a toned mind, two things that are mind, body, and spirit. So I wanted to create a program that includes my favorite way to work out, which is yoga. And as we evolve over time, the way that we move our body and what feels right for us can change. When I think back, the first time I actually went to meditation was as a teenager. And it was in a time where I was in a dark place because of what was happening at home with my mom's mental health condition. And then fast forward 7 years or so, when I was still in a really dark place, I thought back of what made me happy. When was I my happiest? And it was when I was moving my body. It was when I was just getting outside and getting fresh air, being in nature. So I took those practices back and I made a change for myself. So I am excited and honored to have this program that has these practices that have literally changed my life, and to be able to share this with you. We've got new workouts filmed right here in my living room, so come on over. New meditations, and there's also a journal. We also have a ton of other surprises. I cannot wait. I hope that you feel as passionate about this program and transformation as I do.